Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the revision session of chapter number 3, How Many Squares? Let us revise what we did in the chapter How Many Squares. You learned what is a square and a rectangle. Square is a four-sided polygon whose all four sides are equal. It is a regular polygon. Rectangle is also a four-sided polygon with opposite sides equal. It is an irregular polygon. What is a grid? Grid is uniformly spaced horizontal and vertical lines. Then you learn what is a perimeter and an area of a polygon and the units used for both the perimeter and the area. The length of a boundary of a shape is called its perimeter, and the units of the perimeter are same as that of length and breadth, that is centimeter, meter, etc. Area is the space occupied by a flat shape and is measured in square units. You learn to find the perimeter and the area of a polygon and also the formulas to find the perimeter and the area of a rectangle and a square. Finally, you learn to find the area of a curved shape. Here you can see a grid. The side of the square is 1 centimeter. That means the area of the square is 1 square centimeter. You can see a red rectangle and a yellow square. Find the area of the red rectangle and the yellow square. The red rectangle occupies 3 squares. So, the area of the red rectangle will be 3 square centimeter. The yellow square occupies 4 squares. That means the area of the yellow square is 4 square centimeter. You know what is a perimeter. The length of the boundary of a shape is called its perimeter. You can find the perimeter either by adding all sides of a polygon or by using the formula. The units of a perimeter are same as units of length, that is centimeter, meter, etc. To calculate the perimeter of a polygon, add all the sides of the given polygon. To calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, we use the formula 2 into L plus B, where L is the length and B is the breadth of the given rectangle. To calculate the perimeter of a square, we use the formula 4 into side, as all 4 sides of a square are equal. Let us now take some examples and find the perimeter of the polygons. You can see an irregular shape given here. How to find the perimeter of this figure? By adding all sides. So, the perimeter of the given figure will be 6 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, which will be equal to 26 centimeter. So, we can say the perimeter of this figure will be 26 centimeter. Let us now calculate the perimeter of the given rectangle. We can find the perimeter of a rectangle by 2 ways, either by adding all 4 sides or by using the formula. By adding all the 4 sides, the perimeter of this rectangle will be 14 centimeter. Let us now calculate using the formula. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Here the length is 4 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter is equal to 2 into 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, that is 2 into 7 centimeter, which is equal to 14 centimeter. Let us now calculate the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square can be calculated in two ways, either by adding all sides or by using the formula. By adding all four sides of the given square, which has a side of 5 meter, is equal to 20 meter. So the perimeter of the given square is 20 meter. Now by using the formula, side of a square is equal to 5 meter. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side, which is equal to 4 into 5 meter, that is 20 meter. So the perimeter of the given square is 20 meter. Now let us come to area. What is an area? Area is the space occupied by a flat shape and is measured in square units. Area of a polygon can be calculated again in two ways, either by counting the number of squares occupied by the shape or by using the formula. Let us now take few examples and calculate the area of the polygons. Let us now calculate the area of the given rectangle in this grid. The area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Number of squares occupied by the figure is 10. So the area of this figure is 10 square centimeter. Let us calculate the area of a rectangle and a square using the formula. You can see a rectangle having a length of 12 centimeter and a breadth of 7 centimeter. The formula to find the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So here it is 12 centimeter into 7 centimeter, which is equal to 84 square centimeter. You can see a square here having a side of 5 centimeter each. The formula to find the area of a square is length into breadth or side into side. We write side into side as all sides of a square are equal. So here it is 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter, which is equal to 25 square centimeter. So the area of the given rectangle is 84 square centimeter and the area of the given square is 25 square centimeter. Let us now calculate the area of an irregular shape. While calculating the area of an irregular shape, we have to keep certain points in our mind. That is, count full squares as 1 square, count more than half filled squares also as 1 square, ignore less than half filled squares, and count 2 halves of a square as 1 square. You can see an irregular shape drawn on a grid here. There are 18 full squares, green in color. There are 7 more than half filled squares, yellow in color, and there are 4 halves of a square, pink in color. Each side of a square is of 1 centimeter side. Let us now calculate the area of the given shape. The area of each square is 1 square centimeter. The area of the given shape will be area of the green squares plus area of the yellow squares plus area of the pink squares. Here it is 18 square centimeter plus 7 square centimeter plus 2 square centimeter, which is equal to 27 square centimeter approximately. We say approximately because we ignore the less than half filled squares and count more than half filled squares as 1. Children, here we complete the revision of chapter number 3, How Many Squares. Revise it thoroughly. Take care and bye.